Good morning. Are you ready to achieve your life dream today? Do you believe and declare that your life dream is coming true? You have the power to create the life of your dreams, and it all starts with your thoughts and beliefs. As you see, our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. What we think and believe, we attract into our lives. So, if you're constantly thinking negative thoughts and holding limiting beliefs, you'll create a negative and limited life. But if you change your mindset to one of positivity and abundance, you'll create a life filled with joy, success, and fulfillment. This is where positive morning affirmations come in. These are powerful statements you repeat to yourself each morning to set the tone for your day. They help you reprogram your subconscious mind and align your thoughts with your desires. And when you practice positive affirmations consistently, you'll start to see amazing changes in your life. So today, I want to share with you some powerful affirmations that will help you achieve your life dream. Repeat after me. I deserve all the abundance and success that comes my way. I am capable of achieving my dreams and goals. I am surrounded by love, positivity, and support. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. I am confident in my abilities and trust my life's journey. I am open to receiving all the good the universe has in store for me. I am creating a life I love and am proud of. I release all limiting beliefs and embrace my true potential. I attract opportunities and people that align with my highest good. I am living my best life, and it only gets better from here. Repeat these affirmations every morning and watch your life transform. Remember, you have the power to manifest the life of your dreams. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and keep a positive mindset. You can achieve anything you set your mind to.